People have taken interest in wheatgrass because of the many health benefits that it offers. For many health-conscious individuals, wheatgrass juice could be the way to go. So how can a shot of wheatgrass help keep myself and you from eating up? What is wheatgrass? Wheatgrass is the young grass of the wheat plant that is dried or juiced. Because it has a high amount of chlorophyll, it is rich in many vitamins and minerals. Studies have shown that wheatgrass has various healing and detoxifying functions. Wheatgrass has increased in popularity for some time now. You can easily buy wheatgrass prepared in various forms. Many bars and restaurants also include wheatgrass juice on their menu. What are the benefits of taking wheatgrass? Improves metabolism and cures for your heart. Wheatgrass is good for your heart as it helps to lower your blood pressure. It also makes your blood healthier by increasing red blood cells in your blood. The properties of wheatgrass also reduce the acidity of your blood, being very rich in alkaline minerals. Taking wheatgrass will also help enhance your thyroid functions. It is also said that wheatgrass is effective in treating gastrointestinal diseases like constipation, diarrhea, peptic ulcers and ulcerative colitis. Detoxifying agent. Because of the presence of minerals and antioxidants, wheatgrass is a very effective detoxifying agent. It also fights off and gets rid of harmful chemicals and other substances that may develop into various types of cancers and other illnesses. Wheatgrass makes your blood healthy and cleanses the liver effectively. Using it to treat tumours and toxins can help patients recover from their illnesses without the harmful side effects of synthetic drugs. Slows down the aging process. Aging is part of an individual's normal growth and development, but it doesn't mean that your health should be affected by aging. Taking wheatgrass can help put aging on a different level. It not only slows down the process, but it makes you age healthily by cleansing your body of harmful toxins and keeping your cells healthy. Aids individuals to lose weight. Wheatgrass has fat-burning properties. It also suppresses your appetite. Losing weight doesn't have to mean taking weight loss pills or undergoing any surgery. A regular dose of wheatgrass will do wonders for your body. Preparations. The popularity of it has resulted in it being available in various forms. Now, you can take it in powdered form, tablets, or through juice shots. Some people have also decided to grow wheatgrass in their homes so they can always have it easily available to them. Whatever preparations you prefer, the important thing is to be able to have your regular intake of it. Wheatgrass juice is prepared like any other type of juice. Add water and enjoy. You can also add some ice. Juice shots are also available in the market. A 5 ml shot is equal to a tablet of wheatgrass. Wheatgrass tablets are taken twice daily. Wheatgrass has many health benefits for you. Take a dose every day and start your journey to a healthier you.